And just like that, we're up to 80. Yeah, excellent. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 2011 Lexus RX350 on our channel. I want to say a huge thank you to Enrique over at Capital Auto Sales LLC of Frederick, Maryland for providing me this car. All this information will be in the right-hand corner side. And we got our guest Sasha again today. Hey, Katie. Hi. Great to see you. So he's already been featured on one of our videos with the Corolla test drive. So we are going to drive the Lexus. So let's go check out the exterior of it first. Yeah. Yes. This is a very clean example. Very good condition. The exterior, interior, everything looks great. Okay, let's go take a look in the back seat and see how that is. So we got a nice and big back seat. Excellent materials. Everything is in great shape. Let's hop in the back. I'm 6'2" tall, plenty of space for me. We got the cup holders here. Overall, I think it's a very good design. Everything is soft to touch. Headliner is in perfect shape. Also a very smooth headliner. I love the feel of it. Great seats. We got the pockets, the vents. Let's check out the trunk. Yeah, pretty big trunk. We have a lot of space. The first aid kit over there. Okay, and let's check out the engine bay. Here we got the engine. All our factory stickers are right here. As you can see, Lexus concealed everything very nicely. All right, let's go jump in inside. All right. Yep, you close it? Yep, I think you, yep, there we go. Awesome, by itself. All right, so let's hop inside. So getting into the cabin of this RX, I have to say these seats feel very comfortable. They're very plush, supportive. We have the navigation system with the joystick, one of the old Lexus infotainment systems, where we have the menu. We can do the climate settings, and it's like a touchpad where you can click it. It's like it's, oh, enters right here. There we go. And we can actually select what we want here. And then we can adjust the temperature and go through here. We have the nav system here, and we can choose which angle we also want to see. We got a wooden steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, a lot of storage space. Let's see here. Yep, factory manuals. Okay, memory seat for the driver, automatic power windows, a sunroof. Let's do a wiper test and a horn test. And let's check the backup camera. Looks good, so let's start the test drive. Everyone's got their seatbelts on?
Sure.
Awesome.
Buckle up.
Let's go. All right, we're gonna have to make a little U-turn. This specific RX350 so far seems like it's in absolutely magnificent shape. The materials feel great. The panel doesn't have any rips or stains. There's something about these older cars that I really like. Just the feel of them. they're just so well built.
Yeah, they feel like fulfilled cars.
Yeah, like fulfilled.
You don't feel like something is missing.
Yes, I agree with you. All right, so let's head out. So we easily got out of the grass, but let's go ahead and begin our drive. Right away, the visibility is actually pretty good for an SUV. I can see everything clearly. We also have these little side mirrors, like the windows, where you can see through them as well. Good pillars, they're not intrusive. Brakes feel authentic Lexus, so just your typical ES350 brakes. They have a little bit of leeway and then they bite in. But let's... Sounds good, very smooth shifts. Also have the eco mode that automatically turns on when I let off the pedal. It shows that we are driving efficiently. Let's give these guys some space and see how quick it accelerates. Ready? And just like that, we're up to 80. How does the ride feel for you?
It's like you're not driving, it's you're like swimming.
Yeah, it's like floating. Yeah, you're like floating, right? You see, like 80 doesn't feel like 80. Mm-hmm. It feels like we're just, you know, sailing.
Yeah.
It feels like we're sailing.
It reminds me of when I was like a passenger on BMW 7 Series. Mm-hmm. The same feeling. Like
yes.
you don't feel anything on the road. You feel like you're floating.
Yep.
Even if you like hit the bump or hit some hole, nothing. Just a little vibration. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah. Also, excellent power, by the way. Excellent power. Yeah, it rides very smooth. Like you can just put one hand and just glide. I also like how quiet it is in this interior. Soundproofing is very good here. So how does it feel as a rear passenger for you? What do you feel?
It's so comfortable here.
It's really okay. Good.
Yeah, I feel enough space. I feel cup holder here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, it's very comfortable. I definitely like it a lot so far. I definitely like it a lot. Yeah, it drives like a brand new car. With 159,000 miles on the dash, drives like a brand new vehicle.
Oh, almost 160. Okay.
Yeah, but it drives like a brand new car. Mm-hmm. You know, I don't feel like it has 160,000 on it. It feels like it's a brand new car off the lot. Like the transmission is butter smooth. The pedal is responsive. You give it some gas and you see it's
accelerating like immediately.
It accelerates immediately. Yeah, it's got great feedback. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Which is very impressive, and it's a heavy car. We got 3 adults in the car right now, and it pulls effortlessly.
Also, yeah, the 3 adults is like an extra weight.
Yeah, and it pulls effortlessly. Yeah, excellent. Very good. Very good power. Let's take our exit here. Is that my phone or your phone?
It's your phone.
It's my phone, okay. Yeah. Got it. Okay, so now we are going to do our 0 to 60 test. See how quick this Lexus is. And you will see that in the next clip next. Let's go. So let's see what we got.
Actually impressive.
Impressive with
3 people on board.
wow,
SUV.
7.8 seconds,
Yeah.
0 to 60 with 3 people.
Oh wow.
That's a healthy car. 8.33 to 100 kilometers an hour with 3 people. 1/8 mile, 10.18 at 69.54, and the quarter mile, 15.76 at 88.42. Let's do one more 0 to 60, just to check it out. Let me see if I can. Is there anything? Okay. Let me try one more time.
Reset it?
Yeah, just press reset. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. See, maybe we can do a little better this time. What did
Same.
we? Same?
Same 85.
785. Okay, yeah. Yeah, about right. 785, 0 to 60. Okay, well let's see how she handles now. I want to see the handling potential of this Lexus. Okay. I like the sound. How it revs out. It's got very
but
good.
Even if you like feel the torque,
Yeah.
it's not like hitting you in your body doesn't feel that it hit. It's like
Smooth.
also smooth.
Yes. Yes. Very smooth torque. Very good power. Like, this is plenty of power for everyday driving. Plenty of power. All right, let's check out how it drives on the back road. Climbing up a hill, no problem. Not even pressing the gas. Easy. Easy.
I just noticed it's a cloth in here.
Let's see how she takes those corners. Definitely got a floaty suspension, but it's still safe, secure. Obviously it's not a sports car, but it definitely takes corners nicely. You can feel the weight of the car.
Yeah,
like when
right now I felt it.
you felt that, right? You can feel like this is a heavy car.
Like just in a moment you feel like it's gonna be like a little bit drifting.
Yes, a little bit, yep. But it's still very good. It still does it no problem. Up. Very nice. Very nice. Brakes feel fine. You know, they're definitely not meant for aggressive driving, but they still do the job. I like the way the transmission works. It's super smooth. No kicks.
I need to really like in the second nose when you go down and
Yes,
up, like,
yes.
It's responsive.
Very responsive. So, you know, every single time that I've been applying the throttle so far, it knew exactly where I wanted to be in terms of like the power. I didn't have any issue. You know, sometimes when you press the gas, like the car doesn't want to downshift, you press again, and I didn't feel any of these issues here in this Lexus. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments. And until next time.